Okay, second floor of SBB building. This is SBB 217, which is the ADT location. So the AV in this location and the adjoining 217, 218 and 219 is slightly different from the other locations as well. So we're in here, we have a quick whip round. So you've got front lectern desk there, and obviously large screen on the wall, touch screen as well. And then a repeater screen on the back of the room, so these guys can see from both locations. Also throughout this location we've also got the air boards, which I'll do a little separate video on that later as well. So there's some interactivity on the whiteboards as well. Looking around the room, so in the middle room here, the lectern is at the rear of the room. And this one has a drop-down screen, so where the lectern is, touch screen, repeater screen on the wall just next to the lectern. And you've also got a projector system in this room, so this will project onto the drop-down, which I'll show you in a minute. So the drop-down screen comes in front of those boards. The whiteboards, which are the sort of room partition separations, they're dry wipe boards, and they're also magnetic as well, so you can pin up your posters and stuff on that one. And in the final room, you've got a lectern rear right, projection and touchscreen behind the lectern as well, and also you've got a projector system up on the roof which projects onto the main wall at the rear of the room, and also again you've got the airboard systems in both locations along the walls. SPB 218, so second floor, this is one of the ADT rooms, the middle location. This is the one with the drop-down screen, so just worth pointing out, just keep an eye on sort of furniture in this location. If you've moved away any furniture from, say, maybe one of the PC stations, as an item of furniture there, just make sure that's moved away from where the drop-down screen comes. It comes down quite quickly, so if we just go and shake the machine to wake it up. Okay, so literally as you turn on the lectern, the screen is activated, and it comes fairly low as well, so just make a note of the position for furniture, etc. And your repeater screen, touch screen as well, your little pendant pen in the corner, height adjustable on the left hand side, for power up and down as well. So if the guys at the back need to see a little bit more at the rear of the room, you've got the height adjustability as well on the screens.